हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम टू समोसा रिव्यूज। एज यू गाइस मस्ट बी नोइंग, रिसेंटली एक HMT प्रोजेक्ट रिलीज हुआ था जो था प्रोजेक्ट 70, विच एम टू मेक कोहिनूर वॉचेज इन ऑटोमेटिक वर्जन्स। सो इसकी बात कर रहा हूँ मैं। द मिडल वन इज अ क्लासिक HMT Kohinoor 17 jewels, and the ones on the either sides, they are the Project P70 watches. These were made in very limited edition, and only a few pieces were made. मैंने इसका review unboxing कुछ नहीं किया है because I did not apply for this project, because honestly speaking, Kohinoors don't attract me that much. I'm not that attracted to Kohinoor watches and the design. इतना भी नहीं है that so I did not subscribe to it anyway. These were very well made watches, and they were priced at around 9,000 rupees. Honestly a great price, because you are getting the Citizen Miyota movement, you are getting nicely made stainless steel body, and the watch is very nicely made, and they give you the same retro vintage look of an HMT Kohinoor that many of us are fans of, right? Not me personally, but many of us are fans of the vintage Kohinoor look, and that's what they are giving us. And kudos to the group for executing this project, and very nicely done. My problem is that recently I have come across many sales posts that are trying to sell these watches for 15,000 to 20,000 rupees. They just bought them 1 month back for 9,000, and today they are being posted for sale for 15,000 to 20,000 rupees, which means some people have bought these limited edition watches with the intention of turning pure profit, and they are going to try to sell these watches for a very high premium like this, almost 50-60% premium, and they are going to they're trying to flip it to actual collectors, people who actually need these watches. Like, why would somebody pay 20,000 rupees? Only a collector would pay that much because he needs this watch in his collection. But these speculators have infiltrated, bought these watches, and now they're trying to flip them for a profit. So that is what is happening right now. बहुत ही I don't support this. I absolutely don't support this. First of all, you should not be paying 20,000 rupees for a P70 watch. It's not worth it. It's a simple HMT Kohinoor construction with entry level citizen made Miyota movement. At a price point of 9,000, it's fine. 15,000 no, 20,000 not at all. Do not fall in this trap. If you see such a post trying to sell you this watch for 15,000, 20,000 rupees, don't get into the FOMO of it. Don't get into your emotions and buy it and pay that this premium for it. Up to 10,000 is fine. Beyond that, do not buy this watch for 15-20,000 rupees. It is absolutely not worth it. इसी प्राइस में आपको एक ओरिएंट बेम्बिनो मिल सकता है. In a price point of 20,000, you can get an Orient Bambino plus have cash saved, which is way better than this watch. Way better. You can buy a Timex Marlin which has the same movement and a Vostok Commanderski for 20,000 rupees. Both watches are better than this watch in their own right. You can buy a Pagani design. You can buy a Pagani design GMT for half this price. Do not buy this watch. If you come across this, do not buy this at this super premium of 20,000 rupees, because this is going on right now. 20,000, 15, 20,000 के price point में they are posting these for sale, and लोग खरीद भी रहे हैं. The problem is people are buying it. बहुत ही फालतू बात है ये. पीपल आर बाइंग इट, एंड दिस हैज बीन हैपनिंग इन द HMT वर्ल्ड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. एनी रेयर मॉडल इज पीपल बाय दिस फ्रॉम द वेबसाइट. आपको तो पता है वेबसाइट पे इट इज़ ओनली लिस्टेड फॉर अ फ्यू मिनट्स. 1-2 मिनट पे लिस्ट होता है, देन इट गेट्स इमीजिएटली सोल्ड आउट. वहाँ से 4-5 हज़ार में खरीद के दे आर सेलिंग इट फॉर 18,000, 20,000. This whole market exists because people are very emotional about HMTs. There's a collector community out there willing to pay this amount, and they are fueling this black trade that is going on. This black marketing that is going on. They are fueling this trade. They are fueling this speculation. I just want to tell you, I cannot tell the collectors, they know better than me, but I can tell you, my viewers, if anybody is willing to listen, even one person is willing to listen, then I have already won. Do not participate in this game because ये बहुत हो रहा है. And now whenever I notice such things, I'm going to make a video, I'm going to post it here, because awareness create करना अब ज़रूरी हो गया है. This thing is going really out of hand. The same thing is happening with HMT Janata, Kohinoor, Himalaya. They are being sold for 18,000-20,000 easily. Even hand winding Kohinoors are being sold for 15,000, 20,000, sometimes 24,000-25,000 also. Some HMT models go for as much as 80,000-90,000 because they are rare. Very few of them were made, like HMT Taurus. One second, my dog is acting up. Okay, sorry about that. So what I was saying was, these watches are being sold for ridiculous amounts of money. All these popular models, whenever I come across one, I'm going to make a video now, because awareness create करना आवश्यक है इसके बारे में. Anybody trying to sell you some rubbish HMT Kohinoor for it, not this one, this is automatic, फिर भी automatic है. Hand winding Kohinoors, it's a 3,000-4,000 rupees watch. It is absolutely not worth 18,000-19,000 rupees. If somebody, there is a whole machine behind it. Okay, एक बात समझिए, एक HMT का पूरा मार्केटिंग मशीन है that is at work right now. मतलब I'm not talking about HMT company. I'm talking about these sellers, these people who are trying to sell, who are selling these watches in the aftermarket. एक पूरा मशीन है that works, that tries to market these watches. Especially कोई अगर न्यू भी आता है ना मार्केट में, कोई नया कलेक्टर आता है, तो उसको बोला जाता है तो ये तो रेयर है, ये तो आपको आपके कलेक्शन में चाहिए, विदाउट दिस वॉच योर कलेक्शन इज नॉट कंप्लीट. इस सब जाल में मत फंसिए. ये सब जो नए कलेक्टर है ना, उनको फंसाने का एक तरीका एक ये होता है. तो होल मशीन वर्क्स to get young new people who are new in the hobby, to get them to fall in this trap. So they end up spending 18,000-19,000 on a bullshit HMT Kohinoor, hand winding Kohinoor that is not even worth 3,000 rupees. अगर आप कोई विंटेज कोहिनूर लेंगे ना, आपको वो 2,000 में भी मिल जाएगा, लेकिन सिर्फ, और उसमें स्पेक्स भी सेम होंगे एज अ येलो कोहिनूर जो 18,000-20,000 में बिकता है. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज द डायल. सिर्फ डायल के आप 18,000 ज़्यादा दे रहे हैं, विच इज़ नॉन सेंसिकल इन माई ओपिनियन. डोंट फॉल इन दिस ट्रैप. आपको बेवकूफ़ बनाया जा रहा है. इन ब्रॉड डे लाइट आपको बेवकूफ़ बनाया जा रहा है. डोंट फॉल इन दिस ट्रैप. अगर कोई ये कर रहा है, से नो टू इट, मूव अवे. योर कलेक्शन, योर वॉच कलेक्शन डज नॉट नीड अ येलो कोहिनूर. Your watch collection does not need a 22,000 रुपए का प्रीमियम लेके खरीदा हुआ HMT जनता. It does not need an extremely expensive HMT Himalaya. आपको मिलेगा, कोई ना अच्छे कलेक्टर्स भी हैं बाहर जो आपको ये वॉचेस पास ऑन करेंगे एट गुड प्राइसेस. पर इस ट्रैप में मत फंसिए. डोंट पे 15,000-22,000 फॉर दीज वॉचेस. डू नॉट फॉल इन दिस ट्रैप, बिकॉज ये पूरा मार्केटिंग मशीन है जो इस डायरेक्शन में काम करता है, टू ट्राई टू सेल देम एट डबल ट्रिपल प्राइसेस ऑफ द MRP. डोंट फॉल इन दिस ट्रैप एट ऑल. आप अपना कलेक्शन करिए, बट डू इट इन अ वेरी एथिकल मैनर. डू इट इन अ मैनर विच इज फेयर टू यू एंड फेयर टू द मार्केट, राइट. जो बाकी कलेक्टर्स हैं उनके लिए भी फेयर होता है. इफ यू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस रन, इन दिस रेस, नो, एवरीबडी हैज टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस रेस. Not me, of course. I really don't have any fancy for HMTs. I am saying this for your benefit. Don't participate in this race because there are so many people out there spending ridiculous amounts of money on this. आपको बड़े बड़े यूट्यूबर्स, बड़े बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर्स इस बारे में बात करते हुए नहीं दिखेंगे, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे एक थाली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं. दीज आर द मार्केटिंग आर्म्स. They are not going to talk about it because सब एक ही है. Everybody knows what's going on. Nobody is going to say anything. Don't fall in this trap. Do not engage and protect yourself. Protect your wallet. इस daylight robbery में मत फंसिए. And thank you guys for watching. And I will see you in the next one.